So today we are baking in the kitchen. I have some Christmas boxes to make for people for church, and my mom and my sister Abby are helping out. Some sugar and gingerbread, and then we do have some snickerdoodle. I've been bringing the cookies over here to get them off the wire racks to help us out.
So we had 2 stacks at first, then 3, then 4, and now I got another piece of parchment paper, and now I'm gonna make it back down to 3. Cause I've kind of been noticing that they've been, I don't know, like getting maybe a little smushed, so.
Yeah, but we got some gingerbread, sugar over there, some snickerdoodles. They made these, I think it was last night. My finger getting in the way. Also made up some chocolate chip dough. The chocolate chip cookies and the gingerbread and the sugar, they all bake at the same temperature, which is 375 for 8 to 10 minutes. So we don't have to adjust the ovens. And I also have some other doughs prepped that I will show you now. Some oatmeal raisin batter I made earlier today, and some peanut butter cookie batter I made earlier. So those are the other types of cookies.
Well, so I'm gonna bring these over because I got all the cookies off. So I just set them over here, and usually Liz would be getting the balls ready for the chocolate chip cookie dough stuff. But these ones are still a little raw, so I'm gonna have to pop them back in the oven. So I'm gonna set 1 minute.
Maybe 2.
2 minutes, okay. Start.
I'm helping now. The cool one arrived.
No,
You're welcome.
yeah.
It's the cool one.
Hey, she keeps
In the comments below, who's cooler, me or Liz?
Or me. Definitely
A
not me.
competition.
Why aren't you helping?
Because I know one too.